Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up online banking for Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to set up online banking for Atlas. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Atlas website, and then you're going to click on online banking to enroll. Once that's done, you just click on enroll now, and you're going to need to fill out the online enrollment form. You're going to use your credit card information as well as personal details to fill out that form. You're also going to need to provide required information such as your credit card number, the security code, and your email address. Now, once all of that is provided, you're going to need to review and agree to the online banking's terms and conditions. And of course, you're going to create a username and password for your online banking account. And once that's done, you can go ahead and log into your online banking account, where you can review your credit card information, including transactions, balances, and statements. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up online banking for Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.